Hi guys, I'm Marian Ga. Let's explore to one of the best places to visit here in Japan, none other than Shizuoka! Join me and discover amazing places and experience the thrilling and exciting places! So what are you waiting for? Stay there, sit down, and relax! And now, let's start our journey! It took us 3 hours going to Shizuoka by car. And I suggest to go there early because there's so many things to enjoy. And because Marian Ga loves nature, I really enjoy the freshness of the air and the view. And even those birds, I love to see them flying. And if sometimes you feel bored, try to find ways to enjoy it. Put out your head from the car and breathe.
Dito na kami pasok. Shintomei.
By the way, I would like to introduce to you another way to enjoy your trip, your long trip here in Japan, is to stay on what they call Eki no Michi. It is a 24 hours parking area which allows car to park and the people to rest inside the car overnight for free. And because it's getting late, we decided to sleep over at Roadside Station here at Shiomizaka parking area in Shizuoka. And on the next day, it's the beginning of our journey! Welcome to my tour vlog!
Good morning! Surprise na dagat ang tabi niya. Ang kabilang side din. Hitake mushroom house daw. Mushroom. We're gonna eat shirazu, small fishes. And it's famous here. So this is the food menu in the morning. Wow! Them preparing our foods. Makikita nyo talagang napaka-clean, napakalinis. Thank you! Yay! This is my food! Itadakimasu! Hi! And we're gonna eat! Look at the front view! Gochu-sama deshita! Gochu-sama deshita! Ubus natin. What a beautiful morning. Ang sarap ng breakfast. Healthy and delicious. Behind our car, I saw a couple of black cats. Ohayou gozaimasu. Video toti desu ka?
And now I will bring you to the only air self-defense force theme park in Japan, with a real fighter and transport aircraft on display. It's a full-featured facility that is hard to believe that admission and parking fees are free. Missile! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast! What we call antenna receiver transmitter. Alright guys, this is Captain Marian Garcia Asano reporting. Goodbye, let's go! H-21B Rescue Helicopter!
Guys, may mga nagbabantay may mga guard. Let's go inside!
We are now at Japan Air Self-Defense Force. Dito pa rin yan sa Shizuoka. Ang ganda. Ang dami mga kids, especially boys, ang super nag-e-enjoy.
Run for your life! Ganda! Pero mistake. Ayan yung mga dala-dala niya. Missiles! Ayan, ganyan siya.
On the first floor of this building, it shows that their mission is not only to protect the safetyness of the sky, but also performs a wide range of their duties, including rescue operations in the event of disasters, transport of supplies, UN or United Nations peacekeeping operations, and international support.
Mga defense, kunyari, may mga nasakuna. Sila pala yung pumupunta, nagre-rescue. Oh my God! Naman yung Air Training Command. Ang bongo. Parang biglang ang gugwapo nila. Siguro tatalino at ang lalakas ng mga guys dito. Yummy! Nakakatense. parang bigla akong nininervous. Feeling ko nakasakay ako dito sa mga jets na to. Yun ang makipupuntahan nila. Sarap siguro magkaroon ng boyfriend na ganito. Namiss ko tuloy yung aking ex na si Tom Cruise. Yun guys, yung pinapakita. Ay, dito yung upuan. I'm gonna sit here. Ayan siya, buong buo. Every part. Tingnan nyo, nung alam ko dito. Let's go to the second floor. Let's see what's in there.
And on the second floor is lined with the models of all different aircraft types depending on their role and era. It is owned by the Japan Air Self-Defense Force.
1991. Ayan, 20 decades. Ito na ngayon ang 2017 until 2022. Oh, bongga. Naman ang kanilang attire, uniform. Pilot's equipment. Ay, grabe. Ang kanilang upuan, no? May vest, may mga complete setting siya. Oh, actually guys, dito siya. Ito naman dito. Dito ako eh. Pwesto ko to. Kaya lang, hindi ako naka-uniform ngayon. Aww. Nakakatuwa pa dito kasi you will be having a chance to wear the pilot suits, yung uniform ng mga pilot. Kaya try natin. Let's be a pilot just for 15 minutes today.
Visitors will be having a chance to put on a flight suit and climb into the cockpit of some aircraft. So exciting!
You can change your outfit here. Tapos need to insert 100 yen so secure yung items. Alright guys, this is Captain Marian Garcia Sena, ready to flight. Come on, let's go. Join me. Guys, super nag-enjoy tayo dito sa To the Sky and Beyond. Grabe, ang ganda. Really enjoy this area so much. So if you have time, please visit Hamamatsu Shizuoka.
We change our outfit already. Yung hiniram nating pilot uniform ay itutin natin ang maayos sa pagbalik.
Ayan guys, natapos na ang ating pagtutur dito sa JASDF. Yan. Marami tayong matututunan at super nag-enjoy ako kasi may outfit pa. Tapos nakikita mo yung mga ginamit na mga helicopters, yung mga jets. Super gaganda. And would you believe it's free entrance sa mga moms na dalhin yung mga anak sa ganitong lugar kasi matututo sila at may encourage sila na mag-isip na I want to be a pilot, I want to experience this kind of work. Di ba yung mga ganon? Malalawakan pa yung pag-iisip nila. So, salute sa nag-organize nitong area na to, ang JASDF, kasi it's free siya. Ang daming matututunan, ma-enjoy, at nakakaloka kasi ang linis ng CR. I don't know, since we came here sa Shizuoka, wala pa ako napuntahang CR na madumi or stinky. It's all clean at mababango. So, salute sa mga taga Shizuoka at especially dito sa JASDF. Alright, that's all for today. I hope you enjoy my video. Once again, this is Captain Marian Garcia Sena saying, blast off. Enjoy life to the fullest. Thanks God. Thank you sa mga taga Shizuoka. Salute to Japanese.
Ayun, nakikita mo may maganda pa pala mga treasures sa loob. One of the best, Shizuoka. And the thrilling and exciting experience begins here.
We are now going to Ryugashido. tayo pumunta guys. At nakaka-amaze kasi merong pet house. Kasi pets are not allowed to go inside the cave. Kaya dito muna sila mag-stay. We're going to enter to this cave. They call it Ryu Gashido. May dragon pa siya sa gilid. Oh. Nagutom na kami kaya dito kami kakain. Alright, so we're going to buy ticket here. Per head is 1,000 yen. Alright, let's go inside. Wow, it says 18 degrees. Konnichiwa. Kochira video daijoubu? Video totemo okay? Hi, okay. Hi. There's a look at this. These are the bats. Konnichiwa.
あとは大体カットが見せられるんですよね。イメージで思っちゃうんですよね。あと超音波を作ってる、超音波で飛んでるっていうイメージもやっぱり日本のコウモリのイメージ。
Alright guys, welcome to Ryu Gashido. よろしくお願いします。Let's go. Grabe scary. Ayoko pa naman ng ganitong mga cave, yung mga nasasaraduhan ka.
Wow, look at guys. Ang sikip niya. Grabe, sikip.
Ayun na guys, nakikita nyo. Ang sikip na niya.
56年にここまでストップだったの。
Ah, stop. Hanggang dyan.
実際あれしかなかったの。
Ah,
で、2人の探検家が取ったらこの先が続いてる。あと5倍あるのこの長さ。
dati hanggang dito lang ang tunnel na to.
だからここは喜びの間っていうんだって。
ito yung futari eh, no? Ganyan lang daw siya dati. Manipis, ganyan lang. Tapos dahil pinutas nila at hanggang lumaki sila, ayun no, ilan lang silang dumaan. Ayun yung mga tao. Yan ang story niya, guys. Tapos lumuwag na. No? Pagbukas nila, eto na siya. Pajama shoes. Ay, sikip! Oh my God. Hikima flowstone. Alligator rock daw. Ito kasi para siyang alligator nga naman. O, diba? Bongga. Mamadali naman to, daddy. So ganay de. Mamadali. Andiyamashimasu. Oh my God, it's dark. Ang takot. Andiyamashimasu. Grabe guys, ang ganda. Curtain. Ay, grabe. Ay, papayuko ka. Tingnan ang sikip na niya. Oh, grabe. Andiyamashimasu. Maria daw. Ay, may Maria doon sa loob. Ang galing. Ay, grabe. Dito. Ayan guys, nakayuko na tayo. Ay, grabe. Ang lalim ng bundok na pinapasok natin. Ay, thanks God, may mga tao na. Ay, may mga kasama na ako. Thanks God, may mga kasama na ako, guys. Grabe, ang takot ko. Nakaka-tense siya, guys. You should try this. This is what you call water god. Water god pala. Ayan. Tapos may roof kami. Ay, grabe. Paano nila nabutas to? Imagine sa loob ng the mountain. May ganito magandang view. Look at this. Andiyamashimasu. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Medyo maluwag na ang daan dito. Thanks God. Scary. But it's challenging and thrilling. We must try this, guys. Ang ganda inside the mountain. Nakikita mo may maganda pa pala mga treasures sa loob. One of the best. Shizuoka. Wow. Ah, years ago, it takes about 100 years for stalactite to grow 1 centimeter. The formation of Ryugashi-do have been growing for many thousands years. Wow! Pajama-shimasu. Straight-shimasu. Guys, tingnan niyo ang ganda niya.
You will amazed more if you see it in person. The cavern is a mysterious space filled with stalactites formed over many years and can be described as natural art. Grabe, super ganda!
Pababa pa rin tayo. Hindi ko alam kung ganda tayo bababa. Pero ang ganda. Grabe, nakaka-amaze. Pababa. Going down, guys. Hanggang saan ba ito pupunta? Papalit tayo, guys. Buti na lang nagpalit tayo ng sapatos. Wow. Right, we're now at the Golden Mount Fuji. Oh, ganda. Very narrow yung daan. Oh, it says 7 gods of good luck. Give us luck, Lord. Ang ganda. Ay, at last nakalabas na tayo, guys. Grabe, natense ako doon. But it was fun, thrilling. Ang ganda. You must try this. I'm just afraid of, you know, yung mga cave, yung mga masisikip na daan. Kaya medyo super na-tense ako. Pero, you know, pag na-overcome mo siya, parang feeling ko, I made it. Parang gano'n. Ang sarap na feeling. I was amazed inside the cave. Ang dami mga magagandang features. Alright, once again, this is Marian Gasing. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you again on my next tour vlog. See you! Matanin! To God be the glory. What a beautiful creation. Bats are not birds. They are flying mammals. Meron pa silang capability na mag-echolocation. Yan, ang kanilang mga features. May mga ano sila, bats can fly in the dark freely by emitting ultra-high frequency sound. May mga lesson kang maano, like this bat hibernate for economizing on energy in the cold season when the number of insects as their food is decreasing. Ito, during the day, bats hang on the ceiling of the cave resting and napping. At nightfall, however, they leave the cave to feed, eat mosquito or an insect, moth, and other night-flying insect. Ayan sila. Okay, ayan naman kinakain nila. Yan. Ito naman ang history ng cave na to. Ganyan kasi sikip. At ang binubutas nila, pukpok sila ng pukpok. They're making a hole to pass, to make a passing area or narrow area para makakaroon ng connection. And this cave sightseeing ay umpisang gawin ni, I don't know his name, salute to you. You are genius. Thank you. And guys, yung history of paano nila na-discover the history of Ryugashi-do. 1979 nag-start. Si Mr. I cannot read it. Ayan. Wow, look at this. This is scary. Look at this, guys. Oh, ganyan ang papasukan nila. Tignan nyo naman. Nakakatakot naman to. They're not fear of this. Ayun, paano nyo yan? Tuk-tuk pa rin. Pukpuk sa ng pukpuk. Eh, paano kung bumagsak yan? Ayan sila, oh. They're the courageous Japanese guy. Malilibing ka na ng buhay dyan. Kuwai. And this is how they made it, oh. Diba? I really admire their, ayan na, meron ng mga bagong materials na ginagamit. Oh. Yan. Kanya-kanya silang work. Galing. Ayan na, nagpapahinga na si Dudong. Salute to all of you guys. You made it. Lahat kami in new generations at susunod pa mga generations ay may enjoy ang ginawa niyo. Salamat sa inyong lahat. Mabuhay. Bansay Japanese. Alright, let's try this mikan juice from Shizuoka. Tastes good. Bye! A little sweet, a little sour. It tastes mikan. Bigyan muna tayo ulit ng gasolina, baka maubusan. Just to make sure. Self-service gasoline station. Wow, ang ganda. Farm of ayan, mikan or oranges. Ito yung Atarashi Tomei restaurant. Let's go! Wow, meron din siyang shop. Alright, let's go for market. Oh, I love this. So many people. Go for market. Nice! Masarap mamili dito kasi season. Wow, look at this small mushroom. Ayan, bili tayo ng shirazi. Ang laki ng aloe vera, oh guys. Wow, so huge. Try natin ang mikan juice. Looks good. Ito rin masyuka. Kakaiba yung kanilang mga pasalubong, guys. Alam no, ang ganda ng preparasyon ng mga pasalubong nila dito. Naka-wrap sila ng maayos, yung mukhang masarap, appealing, parang ini-invite ang mga customers na bilhin mo ako, parang ganun. Diba? Tsaka makikita mo may mga sample sila. Ano ba laman nito? Mapapatanong ka. But inside, it shows there, ayan yung caramel na mag-melt, tapos meron siyang cream, parang ganyan. The best talaga ang Japan sa mga pasalubong things. So guys, nag-enjoy ako mamalengke. Ayan, ito ang mga pinamili ko. Guys, nakaka-amaze pa. Meron silang pambalot ng dyaryo, meron din plastic para hindi kumalat. Tapos meron din silang tape para sealed na sealed. Okay? Ang galing, no? Talagang nire-ready nila. You do it by yourself. Walang gagawa niyan sa'yo. Ayan guys, so nilagyan niya ng ice. Thank you! Dahil bumili tayo ng fresh na boiled or steamed na shirasu, yung maliliit na fish. Nilagyan niya ng ice pack. Tapos binalot niya. Para nga naman hindi siya mapanis kasi fresh to eh. Alright guys, as you've noticed, ito pinapak nila yung mga fresh na seafoods or mga pagkain, sinisilog nila, dinaayos nila yung packing kasi if ever na magkaroon ng problema, kunyari sumakitan siya nung kumain nito, pwede silang madimanda at masara yung kanilang shop. Kaya very, sila strict. Ganyan ang mga Japanese. Very strict sila sa mga ino-offer nila or sinaserve nilang mga binibenta nilang mga foods para pag kinain, ma-enjoy ng mga customer at walang maging problema. Meron pa siyang ice pack sa loob. Omatase itashimashita. And guys, sinugasan na natin yung ating strawberries. Ang sarap! Ang sarap niya, tamis. Grabe, ang tamis. Japan strawberry, the best. Especially here from Shizuoka. Once again, this is Captain Marian Asano. Ready to fly. Ready to fly. Blast off. May omiyage.
ブランデーって書いてある。
それ入ってんだ。
Ayan ko, hakit eh.
Right.
Wow! Wow, you like it, Takmiko?
No thanks.
Thanks.